pony throwing through the sky. Shoot it down.
Hey, Daddy, turn that frown upside down.
Okay. Yum.
Ah! Why would you do this to me? So my children, I love them, Daddy. No. Ah! Oh my God, a box!
I am the magic box. I control the universe. Get to my mouth and I will show you everything.
Okay. Three days later. Canada
You are now
sucks.
covered in spit.
Look at my body! It's covered in spit! I'm disgraced.
Honey.
I'm drawing a bear.
Yeah, honey. I'm the magic box. Bow down to me. I will kill your family. Okay, I'll bow down to you. Oh, no, no! Yeah, you did it! Hey, because I'm on fire!
Because you're ugly.
Shut up! No! No! Freedom of speech! I'm a magical pony. Magical pony. Magical pony.
Ah! Why did you do this to me?
I hate ponies, I'm not a pony. Okay, did you...
Daddy! Tell my children I hate them.
Sorry, your daddy hates you. Get in my mouth.
Daddy sucks. Tell my children I don't love them at all. They all are a piece of crap to my body.
Children hate...
The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and said to the man, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?"
I don't know.
Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle.
Come back!
Then he waddled away, waddle, 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 till the very next day. Bum 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 bum. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and said to the man, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?"
No. Wait. No. If you come here one more time, I will stab you with the sword. It fell off my chair. But I will stab you.
Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 bum. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and said to the man, "Hey, bum, 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 got any swords?"
Yes.
Wait, no, see. What are you talking about?
Sorry, I'm a little clumsy. I fell off my chair. What did you ask again?
Got any swords?
Yes, it's in my hand.
You're supposed to say what?
What?
Got any swords?
Why?
That's why! You're telling your mom? Well, I'm telling your father!
No.
Oh, my house looks so amazing. I hope the creeper doesn't come and blows it up. Ah, no!
I'm not evil. I just want to see your very amazing house. Where's the door?
No.
I guess I'll just have to make a path through.
No freaking chance! I want to go to the moon!
Why? Wait.
Parked their car on my sandwich!
I did.